Taking paid surveys online is an easy task you could do to earn money in your spare time. Survey companies work with businesses that need feedback about new ideas or products before they hit the market. Survey takers earn cash for answering questions that will help brands improve their products. Filling out surveys for cash can be worth your time if you sign up for the right survey sites and implement a few helpful tips. All you need is an internet connection and a computer or mobile device to get started. Registering with too many companies can lead to contact overwhelm, making it difficult for you to find the best opportunities. Rather than sifting through the myriad of options, stick with the ones that fit your demographics and availability. Swagbucks is a paid survey site owned and operated by PrizeRebel LLC. Perhaps the most popular survey site in the world, it holds a 4.4 rating on the App Store with 61,000 plus reviews, and a 4.2 rating on Google Play with an additional 84,000 reviews. Completed surveys pay between 1 and 350 Swagbucks points, depending on the length and topic popularity. For every 100 Swagbuck points, you'll earn an additional $1 that can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards to places like Amazon and Target. New Swagbucks members will receive a $10 sign-up bonus after spending at least $25 at one of the site's featured retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, or Walmart. Paid online surveys are not the only way to make money with Swagbucks. The company awards its members Swagbuck points to shop online, search the web, and watch videos. You can start redeeming your earnings as soon as you reach 160 points. The more Swagbucks points you accumulate, the higher the value of the gift card you can redeem. You can unlock more store options and find gift cards to places like Starbucks, Walmart, and iTunes. To get paid to take surveys with Opinion Outpost, you will need to complete the initial screening. You'll have to answer questions about things like your education level, work status, and the number of children you have. Opinion Outpost will ask duplicate questions along the way to make sure you're answering honestly. Most surveys are worth 3 to 30 points, and you can cash out for free Amazon gift cards or $10 iTunes or App Store gift cards or a $10 PayPal credit. At 30 points, you can unlock games on Allure.com or join the Mileage Plus program to use your points toward travel credits. You'll need at least 105 points to receive 300 award miles. Opinion Outpost offers some of the highest paying surveys in 2022. Every month, Opinion Outpost makes a donation to the American Red Cross in honor of the time its users take to complete surveys. Its corporate donation does not impact your points balance, but you can use your points to make a separate donation if you'd like. MyPoints has been in business since 1996, holds in a rating with the BBB, and has paid out more than $236 million to its 10 million members. With MyPoints, you can take online surveys for money, but the site also has other paid gigs. These include shopping online and in-store, printing and redeeming coupons, watching videos, playing games, and booking travel accommodations. It also gives you 5 points if you are not qualified to take a survey, with a maximum of 25 disqualification points per day. All of your earnings through MyPoints accumulate in points. You can claim a $3 gift card once your account reaches 480 points, or for 15,800 points, you can get a $500 gift card. Points may stretch further depending on where you redeem them. Redeeming points for a prepaid card requires a minimum of 1,500 and is worth 150 points per dollar, or $10. MyPoints gives $10 Amazon or Visa gift cards to new users. You'll need to spend $20 or more using MyPoints shopping to redeem this bonus. CashKick pays users for watching videos, surfing the web, and signing up for deals through the platform. Surveys are on par with industry standard, with opportunities to earn upwards of $2 per completed questionnaire. Payments are processed every 2 weeks, and you need at least $10 before you can cash out via PayPal. If you fail to verify your email address, provide incorrect contact information, or don't log into your account for 60 days, your account might be deactivated. In this case, any earnings you had will be forfeited. You can reactivate your account within 60 months, but you can't get back any previous earnings. CashKick wipes inactive accounts right before processing payments, so be sure to log in regularly and verify your email address so you don't lose your rewards. Since its debut in 2007, PrizeRebel has paid more than $19 million to its 9 million members. PrizeRebel sign-up process is quick to complete. You just need to provide your name and email address. After confirming your email address, you can start taking paid online surveys. The first required survey asks for your demographic information and is worth 10 points. You can cash out when you've earned at least 500 points, worth $5. Most surveys pay between 40 and 60 points and can take up to 15 minutes to complete. PrizeRebel has a unique program that awards members based on the level of earnings. If you earn 4,500 points, you'll reach gold level status and receive a 1% bonus to your earnings and a 1% discount on your prize. Platinum level, which is 10,000 points, gets you a 2% bonus and a 2% discount, and Diamond level, which is 16,000 points, gets you a 3% bonus and a 3% discount.